How you guys doing? Good. Hi, I'm Avi. I'm the co-founder and managing partner of InTheGame. And what we do in InTheGame is we gamify the viewing experience of esports, streams, and live broadcast. And essentially what that means is that we want our audience to not just watch content, but also play. How many of you are familiar with Twitch, YouTube Gaming, Facebook Live? Anyone? Great. So just on Twitch alone, there are over 800 million views per month, over 200 million uniques each month. We take the hundreds of millions of people that are currently watching live streams, esports, and live stream content, and we let them become an interactive part of their broadcast. So what that means is that we have a layer over the stream where you can not just watch the content, but also play, make real-time predictions as to what is going to happen next in the broadcast that we're watching. So if we're watching a soccer game, for example, will there be a goal? If we're watching League of Legends, will the streamer make a kill? Will he die? Will he destroy a turret? So we kind of changed the experience. Instead of having broadcast as it's been since it's been invented, we turned broadcast into a two-way street. Now, already we are integrated and a beta partner of Twitch. Twitch was acquired by Amazon for $1 billion 4 years ago. And we're already in dialogue with Mixer that's owned by Microsoft and YouTube Gaming. But the cool thing is that all the major sports leagues in the world have realized the potential of the streaming market. So we're seeing Major League Baseball, the NFL, NHL. All those leagues are now already have contracts to broadcast their content over the major streaming platforms. The cool thing is that InTheGame sits right in that junction between making it fun for us as an audience to interact and play a game while we watch, and also for the broadcaster, raising engagement and monetization from the existing audience. Let's have a quick look.
Tired of just watching and want to play? Want to be part of the action and more than just a chat? Snap out of it. It's InTheGame time. InTheGame lets you be a live part of your favorite streams, predict overall outcomes and upcoming events in real time to win points, prizes, and dominate the leaderboard. Shoot your personal input into the stream, featuring your original commentary, and master the game tactics to unlock new features. Heck, you might even get so good at this, you might end up getting some real friends. Not likely, but you're sure as hell gonna have fun. InTheGame, don't just watch, play.
Indeed. So the way InTheGame originated is with a patent about a new way of making a prediction. And this is what we implement over live streams. So if you think of predictions and even bets in the world, all predictions are odds-based. So 3-1 that the Jets are going to beat the Giants. 5-1 that Manning is going to throw a touchdown in the next 5 minutes. We changed that. Imagine we're watching that same sports broadcast. For example, a soccer game. And we think something is going to happen. So all we have to do now, when we see Messi cutting to the middle and we think there's going to be a goal, is simply press a button that says goal. What happens then is imagine each of you has a balance of 1,000 points, or dollars for that matter. That balance, the second you press goal, starts decreasing. So now I have 990, 980, 970, 960, so I'm under pressure. But if the event that I'm on happens while I'm clicked on, that's when I win a jackpot. And what that creates is the quickest and most intuitive way to interact with live content. That's actually just been approved by the USPTO, and we have an approved patent number. This is the way our layer looks over an existing Fortnite stream, for example. You can see I can predict if the streamer will make a kill, will he die, will he be in the top 10, and a variety of different outcomes that are happening in real time during the stream. In order to support that, we've built a very strong processor that can monitor all of the users in real time. And in addition to that, we had to build an image processing technology together with machine learning and AI. So it's really easy if we're all watching the same Fortnite stream or the same soccer match. But imagine like the situation is today where there are 2 million streamers on Twitch alone. There are 1,000 different streamers that are playing 100 different games. Now it becomes a lot harder to know what happens in all those games. With the image processing technology that we've built, we can read an infinite amount of streams simultaneously. About the market, I don't want to get too much into that, but we all know it's a multi-billion-dollar market already, just on video gaming content, not even to mention the sports streaming content that's even bigger. The global video content market is growing at about 38%, while conventional sports is growing about 5%. The good thing is that we address both these markets. Regarding our team, so it's comprised of both technological experts and business development. Itai previously sold a company in the ad space market and brought another company to be profitable. Gil Or is the co-founder of Overwolf that raised over $11 million and currently making $600,000 a month before he joined us as the VP of development. And myself, was the CMO of Untouchable Ads, worked with the largest scale publishers like Forbes, PCH, Wikia, and have over 10 years of experience of managing successful tech companies. And finally, where we are now, we have 2 live extensions currently on Twitch, one of which have been featured recently on Twitch. And we're now integrating with the various major streaming platforms, as I mentioned, Mixer, YouTube Gaming, and the others. We raised $570K from strategic investors such as 888, the owners of one of the biggest gaming companies in the world, Charlton, which owned broadcasting rights for Champions League Soccer, MIT, and Big Block Media, and Fusion LA. And we're now looking to raise $2 million to enable the interaction and the embed with all the major streaming platforms, such as YouTube, such as Mixer, to complete that, enable more games, and become the leading global engagement platform for live stream. Thank you. Hope you join the ride.